Linus Williams, widely known as Blord, is a Nigerian entrepreneur, cryptocurrency trader, and philanthropist. He is the founder of Billord Group of Companies, which includes ventures such as Billord Bitcoin Store and the Billord Real Estate, and is said to be worth over $5 million. But in a recent video trending on the internet, he made claims of having a whopping 300 million US dollars in his net worth, owing to his professional Bitcoin trading history and also through real estate and through technology firms such as his Billord empire of companies. In this video, we'll truly investigate, did Billord actually make this money from legal sources, or was this money all goofed about and he's just like the Nigerian runaway fraudster who has been arrested and is serving jail terms in prison known as Hush Puppy? In this video, we'll uncover all of these things. Ensure you still keep me to the very end of this video so you do not miss a single step in the video, and don't forget the vital information. Don't forget to subscribe and click the red subscribe button, turning on the notification icon so whenever I drop a new video, you'll be Nigeria's first person to know about this. Billord gained immense popularity in Nigeria, especially among the youth, for his success in cryptocurrency, trading, and for branding himself Africa's richest Bitcoin vendor. His journey is a mix of entrepreneurial ingenuity and controversies, making him a notable figure in Nigeria's business and cryptocurrency space. Talking about his early life and education, Billord was born on the 14th of March 1998 in Umuji, Ebenebe, Oka North Local Government Area of Anambra State, Nigeria. He is the eldest in a family of 7 children. His upbringing was marked by financial challenges, motivating him to seek ways to break free from poverty at a young age. He completed his primary and secondary education in Anambra State and later pursued a degree in public administration in Madonna University, graduating in 2019. But wait, did this amount to him making all this money? Let's start talking about Billord's career. Billord ventured into cryptocurrency trading during his university days. He started small but gradually built a reputation as a trusted Bitcoin vendor. His big break came in 2017, when he earned his first 1 million naira from Bitcoin trading. In 2019, Billord launched the Billord Bitcoin Store, a platform for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, which propelled him to garner a wide reputation among Nigerians as a crypto billionaire, and as the young population also wanted to learn more about crypto trading. Billord has been seen flaunting a lot of cars. He also diversified into other ventures, including real estate, luxury automobiles, and tech innovations under the Billord Group of Companies. Billord Bitcoin Store became a top choice for cryptocurrency transactions in Nigeria. His ventures in real estate led to the establishment of several residential and commercial properties. He is known for his luxury lifestyle, including a fleet of high-end cars such as the Mercedes, G-Wagon, Rolls-Royce, and Lamborghini Euros. About his personal life, Billord is married to Francisca Linus, and the couple has children. Billord has faced legal challenges that have drawn scrutiny to his business practices. He was arrested by the EFCC in 2020. In August 2020, Billord was arrested by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission for alleged involvement in internet fraud, cryptocurrency scams, and identity theft. While he was later released, the incident brought significant attention to his operations. Police investigations. In 2023, the Nigerian police began investigating his companies following allegations of cryptocurrency fraud and terrorism funding. Despite these controversies, Billord has consistently denied any wrongdoing and continued to run his business while maintaining a strong social media presence with nearly 3.5 million followers on Instagram and hundreds of thousands on TikTok and also on X. Billord is celebrated by many young Nigerians as an inspiration for success in the cryptocurrency space. He uses his platform to promote financial literacy, particularly about cryptocurrency trading. In addition to his entrepreneurial activities, Billonaire engages in philanthropic efforts, providing scholarships and financial assistance to individuals in need, particularly in his hometown of Anambra State. Linus Williams Ifejika, Billonaire embodies the ambition and tenacious of modern entrepreneurship in Nigeria. While he has achieved remarkable success, his career is also remarked by controversies, and a whole lot of people, even after having claims of being targeted for kidnapping and a lot of other things. After a trending video on social media with a popular YouTuber known as Go with Ali interviewing Billonaire and Billonaire taking him down to his home, showing him where the journey started, he has been at the center of the talk. When asked to estimate his wealth in dollars, Billonaire disclosed that he's worth approximately $300 million US. He said, "I'll say $300 million, Billonaire answered. A foreign YouTuber was intrigued by the figure and asked how he accumulated such wealth. Billonaire attributed his success to a gradual build-up over 8 years, emphasizing that it wasn't a quick fortune. It wasn't a quick thing, and it took about 8 years, he said. He created cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin, as the source of his wealth. Billonaire's revelation has generated significant interest online, with many people discussing his entrepreneurial journey and impressive growth of his net worth over his past few years. Billonaire is the founder of various social media apps, including a social media app known as Famous, where people can actually buy streams from the internet. If you are still watching, consider subscribing to the channel and drop a like so our videos can get recommended to more people who want to learn more about this. But Nigerian entrepreneur and self-acclaimed crypto mogul Linus Williams, popularly known as Blord, has set social media on fire after revealing that his net worth is a jaw-dropping $300 million. Blord mentioned this in a recent interview where he shared how he built his cryptocurrency empire over the 8 years course. During the interview, the person said, "Can you tell me how this was made?" He said, "I made my money from Bitcoin. It didn't just happen, and it took consistency, time, and risk." While the revelation has wowed some of his fans, it also reopened fresh criticism from those who felt Billonaire has not used his wealth where it matters the most, which was his wife's family. And just days ago, Billonaire came under heavy fire after posting a picture from his visit to his in-law in Nnobi, Anambra State, and social media users were quick to point out the deplorable state of the house in the background. This has been the case of Billonaire. If you enjoy watching the video, kindly click the red subscribe button and turn on the notification icon so you do not miss our future videos. And in this video and on this note, I'll see you in my next video.